So we plan to upgrade this projector, which is a HC5500 by Mitsubishi. It's a nice projector, 3 LCD, 1080p, but it's almost 10 years. So we want to upgrade to something capable of 4K. And here, this is the one we're going to use. Epson 5040UB. This is a very nice projector. However, this will not be a direct replacement. First of all, the current screen you can see is about 120 inches. So later on, we're going to increase it into 150 inches. So definitely we need to push back the position of the projector. And secondly, the distance of these lenses are different too. So by calculation, we should move this back about 3 or 4 feet here. So here is the seating mount for the Epson. We need to install this to the seating. So the extension tube. Okay, so I'm on the bottom part of the seating mount to the projector. Not too difficult, but lots of alignment, so need to be done carefully. This is after the installation. Haven't got any color correction or whatever calibration, so it already looks very nice, excellent. Let me see. But I just want to quickly show a little bit details on top, how this projector is mounted on the using the Epson mounting bracket here. So the seating part, and this is the connection of the 2 tubes held in place with 2 long screws. And the bottom part is you can attach to the projector using the 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can adjust the distance so to fit different type of projectors. So yesterday I mentioned that we need to make it more stable by putting shims. So this is what I meant. Basically, this part is attached to this bracket, but there's slight play underneath this. So I put shims. So basically 2 on each of the feet so that it becomes more stable. And the projector is locked in position, adjusting by a ball joint, kind of ball joint, so you can adjust any direction and then lock it in place with this lever. So it's quite simple setup. Power cable, HDMI cable, so that's the details here. So after the installation, so this is the again Epson 5040UB seating mount projector onto a 120 inches screen. I'm going to upgrade it to 150 inches without any calibration. Again, the video is planet Earth the second edition playing on the LG 4K player over there. So basically it looks pretty nice straight after installation. So image setting, nature, which is good. Sharpness, we'll leave all those things default. Sharpness 5, okay, we can keep it. Color temperature, I believe, is 6500. Yes, we'll leave that. Power consumption, economic, all the IRS off, which is good. Okay, signal aspect ratio is normal. So we can see advanced, all set to auto. We can quickly look, come down to extended standby mode, city mount, English home screen, which is good. Let's take a look at the input signal. So we have 4K, 3840 times 2160 progressive at 60 Hertz. So 8-bit format is SDR. So basically you can see I'm playing at 60 Hertz 4K, and I'm using a existing cable I purchased many years ago. So that's what I'm trying to say is the high-speed cable, HDMI cable, may not be necessary in most cases. You can use your existing cable as long as they are high-quality cables. So you should be able to reproduce the 4K signal without any problem.